Ooh. Ooh. There you go. Oh my God.
That was good.
Relax.
Oh.
Ooh. This. Ooh.
Oh, yep. Oh, that was good. Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
All right, what's up? She's back.
Hey, we're back.
We're re-recording this.
Ready to get healed.
And she's ready to get healed. She's been doing martial arts a lot more often.
Yeah.
And your hip and your shoulder feel stuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
And a little bit of back tension and tightness, too.
Oh my goodness, I can feel it.
Feel it?
There's a demon in here. I'm just kidding.
No.
I'm just kidding.
We're going to turn this into an exorcism.
Yeah, she needs one bad. That's why she came here, not for the adjustment. So. Okay, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's have you lay on your back face up.
Okay.
You want to take your coat off?
Yeah.
Okay, it's kind of cold in here, just making sure. It's blue makes it colder.
The light.
It's like icebox in here. All right, she's ready for this.
I'm ready.
Oh, these are fancy. I want some of these.
You should get some, you know?
Yeah, I'll just get the women's.
The women's?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna recheck you. So push up right here. Okay, she's strong. The force is strong with this one. And then push up right here. Let's see what's going on. It's kind of bouncy. Okay, let's work on your shoulders first.
Okay.
And then we'll muscle test everything. Okay. Oh my goodness, she's been wrestling bears. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, reach over here. Okay, she's been fighting people on the streets.
You're next, Donovan.
Uh-oh. Yeah, that for me. It's actually an assassination right now.
Oh. Fuck that one. That was good.
There's something in there. What was in there? She needed that.
I did.
Okay, dang, your fingers are
Tight?
tight. She's been like stabbing people like that. Ugh. There you go. Okay, and reach over here.
Something.
All right. Shoulder lean. Oh my God.
Felt that one.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
There was a
That
lot in
feels
there.
very good now.
I'm glad.
Oh, I feel looser already in
I'm
the
glad.
shoulders.
I know she was ready to strangle someone. Okay, so we're gonna use your arms. Push it right here. And it works really good now. I can turn it off. Okay, let's just check our energy. Push up as hard as you can. Oh, wow, it's actually
Better than last time.
Yeah, that's really good.
See, it's
Healing
working.
mode.
It's working.
It's working. Okay, I'm gonna check a couple things. Let's see, push up right here. Mainly structural. That's actually good. You don't want to be too emotional. Oh, dang, she's been working this out.
Oh, yeah, the forearms. Oh, it's tight.
She was benching like 300 the other day.
One day.
It's one of her goals.
Can you imagine?
Yeah. I was like, that's kind of dangerous for me, actually. Okay, we are going to check. I'm going to just turn your foot this way. Push up as hard as you can right here. Okay, I'm just going to put pressure on your knee like this. Ooh.
Oh, yep.
Mm-hmm. And then straighten this out here. Push up.
Oh, sorry.
And all of a sudden we start fighting. Push over here. See, it's much better. And then I'm going to adjust this. I'll just put this mic right here, just in case.
Oh. Yep.
Wow, these martial arts feats.
You know.
And then this. Okay.
Yeah, I've definitely rolled that ankle before this one, the left one.
Good thing we're adjusting it.
Oh, yeah. I felt that one.
I don't do martial arts on her feet. That's how tight they are. And then, let's see, push up right here. So we're giving her a full tune-up. So we're checking every single thing that's not working. Okay.
So nothing's working.
Nothing. Your energy's good.
That's good. That's good.
But these knees, we got to tear up the scar tissue. It's just...
Oh, I didn't even realize I had knee issues.
Yeah. Well, like as I can look at this, your tibias are kind of going back.
Okay.
And when you do martial arts or you're in different positions, like it'll get worn out eventually.
Really?
So that's why we're tuning them up.
Yeah.
So you don't get a knee injury later.
Damn.
And when you just get adjusted, like it tears up the tissue and remodels it.
Is that what happens when you're breakdancing as well?
Yeah, my whole body gets messed up. I have to get adjusted. No matter what, I have to get adjusted, or else I'm going to be suffering later. And sometimes people don't notice. Their bodies just glue, and they adapt to the environment, and they're like, I feel great. I can jump on back all day. It's like concrete back.
Oh, no. I know, I just saw your video about your injury when you were a
Oh,
kid.
yeah, I know. I was paralyzed like this. What? I don't know what that's going to indicate, but but that's the position I was in.
All the hips, they're all so ticklish when this happens.
Okay, she needs this. These are your hip flexors. This helps with your low back. It actually makes you more flexible too. Breathe. We have to. Voice change. Oh! I'm just kidding. So this guy is really into demons. Just kidding. You're doing good. It's getting better. It's turning into a bruise. I'm just kidding. One more breath. Yeah. There you go. I'm just going to check the range of motion of this. Oh, I'm just going to lean on it like that. Oh, just breaking everything up. Okay, I'm going to release this side. Okay, this is important. You got to release this.
I feel like this side is so much worse.
I know. Oh my goodness. What is in here? This is not normal. I'm just kidding, it's normal. Oh my God. Let it out. Who is this person in here? She's like, I forget about this person. That's why they're down here. Gonna do one more breath right here. There you go. Holy mother of pearl.
Which one is worse?
This side feels worse, even though they're both solid. It's like, can't really hard tell the difference. I'm just kidding. Whoa, almost threw us at her. Okay, we are going to give you a hug.
Okay, so this...
Yeah, I'm just going to test what part of your body. Push it right here, hard as you can.
On the right?
Oh, it's right there. It's hard. I'm just kidding. How'd you know? Okay, we're going to give you a hug. That is why. Okay, deep breath.
Oh, that was good. Oh.
I felt that.
You felt that too? The second hand crack.
Yeah, I can feel my hand cracked, actually. I'm just kidding. Okay, we're going to have you go face down now. Okay. She's ready. Let's see what tools we got here. Okay, we got to do the construction. Feels okay? Okay. This sends something called mechanoreceptors to your brain and back, so it helps with your back. Helps activate everything. And it adds movement. It's like a spine massager. Okay, so her hips are stuck. Ooh, this is solid right here.
Is that good or bad?
Depends what you're going for.
Like, what is solid mean? What's the
Well,
other
it's
alternative?
muscular, but it can
still.
make you restricted.
I see.
So this muscle helps you walk
Yeah,
really
the
good.
right side is like more like my kicking side.
Oh, your kicking side?
Mhm.
That's why it's so, like, solid. Okay, we gotta work on both sides. Is this okay?
Yes.
Come. Okay, you're breathing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good. This needs maintenance. If this gets worn out, it could tighten this up in your hips.
Do you think like that's why my lower back is
Tight?
Mhm.
This will contribute to it, but also just sitting down and this being tight right there. Like, because that will drop your pelvis forward and your low back has to catch it and tighten up. So your low back is trying to hold your pelvis. That's why it's so tight, actually. And this will contribute to it. So sitting down in martial arts both contribute to it being tight. So that's why your body needs the right techniques on it. Like, some of these you can do at home. Like, you can lay on your back and put a lacrosse ball right here. That's the easiest one you can do without, if you don't even feel like doing it. You just lay on your back and relax.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, I do it all the time. It's like not much time in the day. Well, you have to do self-care, of course, but. Okay, so she needs to get adjusted bad. So if we got, this is going high, and this is going low. Okay, so you're gonna face me on this side. We are gonna adjust your pelvis.
So
Oh, you're gonna face me over here.
okay, face you.
Okay.
This way?
Yeah.
On my side?
Yes. You're doing great. She's on television right now. This is actually live. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
I used to do that actually, but
Did you actually?
But a lot of people that come to me now are like very private, so I don't do it anymore. Is that a camera? I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. I did that in Seattle. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. It's the best cracks. Okay, you gotta push your pelvis up. Okay, I got you. Relax the shoulder. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, you're gonna face me over here. Okay, she needed that. So this one is going high. It's like saying hi. I'm just kidding. Everyone's like, this is the most confusing chiropractic video. It's like, can this guy stop talking?
Comedian.
Yeah. It's like, you don't want to do talk. You want to do crap. Okay. And shoulder back right here. Okay. I'm gonna push this down like that. Ooh, you notice the difference?
Mm-hmm.
That was like a different sound.
I know.
Because it broke. I'm just kidding. Okay. It was just going high. Okay, so lay on your back face.
Because didn't you say when the first time I came in that my
Yeah.
hips are like uneven or something, or like?
Yeah, they start changing over time because your body starts adapting with it. Because it takes time to like neurologically change your posture pattern. Because your body wants to shift back in that pattern it came in.
Yeah.
And then you can change it by reprogramming it by like getting adjusted and doing certain exercises.
So does everyone have a natural tilt or no?
Everyone has a natural posture, but
Okay.
this one is common because we all hunch over and sit down a lot.
Okay.
So you gotta go. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm just gonna test a couple of things. Hands out. Push up right here. Okay, turn it off. Okay. Look over here, the eyes. Over here. Sideways. Oh, okay. This kind of helps with your balance because it kind of helps us figure out where to adjust. Oh, it's all upper neck stuff. Okay. She's ready. Okay.
Oh no.
All right. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, C2. See you later. Okay.
This is where I feel like I have a lot of the tightness I was saying on the right
Oh, yeah?
side, yeah.
Yeah, when you look to that side, it could mess up your balance. So if you adjust this, it'll help it. Okay. I got you. It's okay. Relax.
Oh.
Ooh.
Wow. Felt that one in my bones.
Oh my God, right on the bone. And then look over here to the side. Push up right here. Way stronger. And turn it off. Okay. Okay, relax his arm. Okay, let's see. Oh, the occiput. We gotta make it stay put. Okay. Okay, so come on up. Okay, face that way. And scoot forward. Okay, we're giving you an occipital lift. It's a skull adjustment.
Okay.
Call it skull crusher.
Man.
Right there. So there's a dip in here, but this is sticking out. She's like, excuse me? Turn this way. Okay. We're gonna drop your head. Don't worry, I got you. It's okay. I'm just gonna hug you. Okay, drop your head. It's okay. You've been in this headlock before. Okay. I'm just hugging you. Okay, just drop your head. I got you. Okay. It's okay. It's just me. Okay. She's so flexible. Okay. Okay, don't hunch your whole body.
Sorry.
Her body's trying to do a
like,
ball.
drop
Where
my
did she go? Okay, turn your head this way. Turn to Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay, shoulder down, and then you're gonna drop your head. Like, just drop it in my hand. She's like, oh my God, this is scary. It's okay. Just drop your head in my hand. Okay, just relax. I got you. It's okay.
I'm trying to release a knot. I feel relaxed, but maybe my body's not. It's okay.
Okay, we're gonna try one more time, and then I'll do a different move if your body's not relaxed. Because you can do this in any position. This one, I just like. Okay, drop your head. Okay, I got you. Shoulder down right there. There you go. Oh my God.
That was good. Okay.
Trust me, you want this.
I do.
Zach, if you don't listen to me, we're not doing this. Just kidding. She's like, okay, I'll listen to this.
My mind's listening. My body's another thing.
Body, listen. Okay, that felt okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, so lay on your back face up. Okay. We are going to pull her head off.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's see. I'm going to put fur on this. I'm just kidding.
Stop.
Okay, I'm just going to stretch you out first.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay.
I can.
Okay, your hair is so silky smooth, this might not go on there. Okay. Okay, feels okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, you're gonna take a deep breath.
Oh shit! Oh my God.
How crazy?
That was crazy.
I heard it.
Damn, I heard it, felt it.
Whoa.
Wow.
I feel like I got blood flow all of a sudden.
I actually do though.
Whoa.
Life changing.
I'm glad.
Wow. I feel like that just like reset my entire neck history, you know what I'm saying? Like just
Yeah, it's like all her lives vaporized.
Flash before my eyes.
Okay, let's have you come on up. Okay, we're gonna get you ready to relax in a bit. Okay, so we're gonna close this out. How was getting adjusted today?
It was great. Oh my gosh. I feel like I almost cracked more this time than the last time.
I think you did.
Yeah. So, yeah. And you said the energy was better, so I feel like we're improving. And yeah.
She's doing good.
Doing good.
So now we're going to do the last treatment. And